Here from sequence and series, dear students, the question number 4. So this is not question number 4, so question number 5. Here I forgot to write. Question number 5, dear students. A person writes to 4 of his friends. He asks each of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with instructions that they move the chain. So similarly, assuming that the chain is not broken and that its cost is 50 pies to mail one letter, find the amount spent on the postage when the 8th set of letters is mailed. 8th set of letters mailed. See, here the thing is, by observing, a person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. So initially, the person, initial means what? It shows geometrical progression. To 4 of his friends, he asks each of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different people. So in first stage, it will be 4. Again, each person, they mail to their 4 friends at a time 4. So 4 different persons. So 4 was increased to 4 square. Next 4 cube. Like this it will go on, dear students. So a person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. 4 of his friends. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. That means A is equal to 4. Whenever he asked each of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different people, each of them mail to 4 different people, 4 different persons or people, persons. Then it comes here, common ratio R is equal to 4. Common ratio. It shows geometrical progression. It shows geometrical progression. Sum to n terms, we write the formula. Sn we have equal to, Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, dear students. For what they are asking, for how many persons? 8th set of. So, n is equal to 8. Substitute in the above. We get S8 equal to, A value is 4. 4 power 8 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Okay, students. So which is equal to 4 by 3. 4 power 8. Before that, 4 power 3, 64 into 64 into 16 later it comes. This is 4 power 3, 4 power 3, 4 power 8 now. 4 square, 4 square. 64 into 64. So 64236. So 4 by 3 ones. 3 twos are 6, so 3 ones, 3 fours, 3 ones, 3 twos. 4 table, 4 twos are 8, 4, 4 fours are 16, this is about yes, 8 dear students. So, the eighth set of letters is mailed. These many letters are mailed. Letters are mailed. But they are asking to find the amount spent on this postage. So, for each letter 50 pies, then for 85,648 letters, the amount is 85,648 into 50 pies. So we can write it as 85648 by 1 by 2. 50 pies means 1 by 2 pies I am writing. 1 by 2 rupee. So it is equal to 2 fours, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights, 2 twos, 2 fours. So this much amount. Therefore they spend the total amount spent. Total amount spent for 8th set of letters is 42,824 dear students. I hope you understand. Thank you. See, first we need to understand the question and then apply steps whether it is related to GP or AP. Okay. Thank you.